AI is the most talked about technology in 2023, and for very good reason. This groundbreaking new technology is going to reshape the world as we know it over the next 10 to 50 years. From fully automated OnlyFans chatbots draining the last penny out of a simp's wallet while a girl relaxes on a beach with a cocktail, to developers watching as a week's worth of coding is replicated within just a few minutes. The implications of AI are already starting to have an impact on our reality. And with Goldman Sachs predicting loss of over 300 million jobs to AI, it's either get on the train now or prepare to plug yourself into the matrix. But what if I could show you a system that you can implement today to revolutionize the way that you acquire clients in 2023? Well, by the end of this video, you'll have knowledge that 99% of the business world is scrambling to get a hold of. My name is Tom Granger, and the methods shown in this video today have allowed me to book in meetings with massive giants like Fred Perry, like PGA Tour, Tik Tok, Obvi, and lots more, helping to build out more than 7 figures of pipeline value for myself and my clients in just 2023. Now, that being said, let's dive into the video. So there's a few major areas in which you can plug AI directly into your outreach funnel. These are the research and development phase, lead management, script writing, and a bonus that I'm going to reveal at the end. Okay, so let's look at utilizing AI for research and development. Your business lives or dies on your understanding of your prospect. Knowing their wants, desires, their loves, and their hates is what's going to make a difference between a campaign that is successful and a campaign that has you wanting to end it all. In the past, businesses would spend years and millions of dollars on market research, on trials, and on focus groups to find out how best to address their customer and their prospect. Today, this can all be done with a few magic words in ChatGPT. Before we launch any campaign at my business, we always make sure to do a full deep dive on our prospect utilizing ChatGPT to build out a profile of who this person really is. This allows us to create offers which seem irresistible to our prospects and create campaigns that resonate on a deep level, massively increasing the amount of positive replies we're getting and therefore the amount of meetings that we're booking and filling up the pipeline. Okay, so what about managing leads? Well, if you've run any form of outreach campaign for yourself, your business, or maybe within your job, you know how difficult it can be to manage the raw data of the leads themselves. Up until just a few months ago, this process was incredibly laborious, taking hours of manual labor or using expensive, inefficient VAs to complete the process for you, creating a major bottleneck in any business. Now, utilizing ChatGPT for Sheets, this process can be completed in a matter of minutes, and we can quickly clean, format, and personalize our leads without the need for human error. Personally, in my business, this has allowed me to save hundreds of hours collectively across a month, hours of manual labor, and has allowed me to remove myself from that process, stop paying for wages for that process, and allow me to focus more on delivering client results. This is also a topic I cover in full detail in my online program, The Cold Email Code, which teaches you the exact system that I utilize for myself and for my clients to develop 7 figures of pipeline value in just 2023. It's the exact same system that allows me to flood my clients' pipelines with qualified sales calls that directly match their ICP. If you'd like to find out more about this, then it is the first link in the bio. Now, let's take a quick look at script writing. This might shock you, but I'm still a firm believer that script writing is a process that is best handled by yourself, because from my experience, from my trials, and from everything that I've researched and looked into, AI still does not have a firm grip on writing scripts that convert. However, it's still useful in a number of other ways. The first being generating angles and pain points at speed. This takes us back to the first point I made, where asking ChatGPT for insight into your prospects is incredibly useful in the script writing phase. We can also use it to run sentiment analysis and ask for feedback by inserting the scripts that we've already written into ChatGPT and asking for detailed feedback on what it might change, how this reads, the sentiment of the email itself, so that we can better improve the email. And it's also useful for quickly adding spin tags directly into your script, which spin the words and phrases of your email so that it says the same thing with different words to help you avoid the spam filter. Now, finally, the bonus that you've all been waiting for. Something that I preach a lot with my cold email philosophy is that speed is the key to success, especially when it comes to replies. Now, there's lots of AI development in this area, and there's some really, really interesting things that are starting to come to market. Tools like Instantly are using AI to detect sentiment of replies to your campaigns, and then quickly marking them as interested or not. I use this sentiment detection connected with Zapier in Slack to send an automated notification as soon as a positive response hits my inbox directly to Slack so that myself or my team can address it within a 5-minute window. This speed allows us to respond quickly and increase the chance of converting that positive response into a meeting. So if you've made it to the end of this video, then you're privy to information that 99% of businesses are still struggling to get a grasp on. And if implemented today, can easily add tens of thousands of dollars of revenue and profit to your business. Now, remember, if you're looking for a step-by-step hand-holding program that teaches you exactly how to implement the system that I've mentioned today and in my other videos as well, then it is the first link in my bio. And this includes the full system plus everything I've talked about with AI, including all the prompts and tutorials and lots more. As always, if you like the video, then make sure to hit the like and subscribe for more B2B content.